Hi guys,
RPM Titans again.
today we're riding to Natural Bridge, Waterfall,
Rush against the border of New South Wales.
and along the way there's going to be some awesome scenery as well.
A few clicks in, somebody had stuffed up our GoPro.
It wasn't me, but anyway, moving on.
Yeah, we moved on.
We're cruising along the Gold Coast Highway,
Trying to restrain ourselves
as you can see.
not to break any laws.
Now that we've left the highway, it's time to hit some twisties.
Now the Hardy's leading the pack, of course.
The Harley only has so many capabilities, mate.
Still couldn't keep up with the beast.
For now. Here we are coming down to the Natural Bridge.
We're gonna go to the waterfall. Hope there's not too many stairs. How I despise going up and down.
Why are there so many stairs? I hate stairs.
Are you videoing? Oh no. Oh no.
Well, that's enough with stairs and sightseeing. Time to make some tracks.
Look at that, the cruiser is dominating the bends and twisties.
It's not going to last forever, mate.
Time to pull in and grab a bite.
And we're not even going to mention anything about the alcohol.
What? What alcohol? Just beer and hard liquor.
Cold water.
Oh, by the way, the guy who looks exactly like Silvio is actually a chick. It's not him.
Okay guys, that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like our video.
Because if you do forget, you're a douche.